So here's a little tip about how to get your email signature to start doing some hard work for you. Now, as an example of mine up here, you don't have to follow this, and I know it's not the most perfectly graphic designed piece. If there's some graphic designers watching this, I'm sure they're going, oh my God. But it's really not necessarily about how pretty it is. It's about the conversions and the leads that it gets you. So one of the first things you really want to do is to give yourself a little bit of credibility. If you've won any awards, if you have any accolades, if you've got any letters after your name, put those in there, because it shows that you are a credible person. It's not obnoxious, it's credibility. Another thing to do is to make sure that you give everybody an opportunity to contact with you. Now, I don't know if any of you have had that situation where you've wanted to contact someone by phone, you've gone to their email signature and they don't have a phone number on there. How annoying. So please make sure people can contact you. Put your contact details, your email address, your phone number, and put actual hyperlinks to your social media. I find that a lot of people join my social media through my email signature, so it can be really, really useful. And finally, if you have some authority products ready, whether that's a free ebook, whether it's a free webinar, whether it's some kind of product or course, put that in your email signature as well. Never, ever miss an opportunity to make a sale. So use your email signature to work harder for you.